हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू एसपीडी स्टूडियोज़ अगेन एंड टुडे हम लोगों के पास है KOSHA वेनम। पता है मैं काफ़ी दिन बाद वीडियोस बना रहा हूँ गाइस, क्योंकि यार 10th स्टैंडर्ड है, सो आई हैव टू मैनेज इट सो ये फिगर है, इसका ये बॉक्स में सब मेरे पास अराइव हो चुका है। सो लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट एंड सी दैट इसके अंदर क्या क्या है एंड ये फिगर एक KO स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से क्या रेट होता है। Let's make a new video. The video is made by a studio and you are watching right now SPD Studios. सो गाइज ये इज़ द बॉक्स इन माई हैंड्स एंड सबसे पहले ऊपर में बना हुआ एक वेनम का काफ़ी फेब्यूलस पिक्चर, वेनम लेट दे बी कार्नेज लिखा हुआ है, नीचे मार्वल का लोगो है एंड देयर इज़ नो बैंडाई लोगो बिकॉज दिस इज़ द नॉक ऑफ फिगर एंड ही इज़ द फिगर इटसेल्फ लुकिंग क्रेजी। एंड जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो कि साइड्स में लिखा हुआ है वेनम लेट देयर बी कार्नेज और साइड में है ये वेनम का स्पॉट वार्निश लोगो जो कि काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में। एंड गाइज आई थिंक मैं यूट्यूब पे फर्स्ट हूँ, मतलब इंडियन यूट्यूब पे फर्स्ट हूँ जो इस फिगर को रिव्यू कर रहा हूँ। सो प्लीज़ हिट अ लाइक एंड शो योर सपोर्ट। पीछे में है वेनम के काफ़ी सारे पोजेस क्रेजी वाले एंड उनका फोटोग्राफी, नॉट मच इन द बॉटम। सो लेट्स क्रैक दिस थिंग ओपन and let's see that what we get. And guys, here's the figure out of the box, looking fabulous, marvelous, or what I might say, I don't even know right now. It looks actually gorgeous. So let's look at the accessories first and then the figure. And guys, here's the accessories. So first of all, we've got a transparent stand made out of like acrylic sheets, so I guess don't know what, it's like a transparent plastic and it's pretty good and it's for the personality kind of head which we get with it, which is of no use with the venom figure but with a great use of with the Eddie figure. But we haven't got any like Eddie Brock figure from any of the companies yet, but this head actually looks like gorgeous and the effect that it is like submerging from someone's back, it's actually really pretty well and nicely designed by SH Figuarts. So let's plug it in here and you can see that how much great it looks, although it's of no use but still it is my favorite accessory out there in this pack. And we have got actually a ton of accessories for this figure and this is impossible ever to get with any Marvel Legends, this kind of accessories, but it's SH Figuarts and this is a KO, so the plastic is like cheap and this back attachment is like also crazy. It's no bendy wire, it's like a normal movement hinges, but it's still crazy and looks gorgeous. We got 3 different heads, guys, can you believe 3 different heads? One is like closed, one is not much open and one is widely open for eating human heads. We got open claws hands for Venom and we also got pointing hands, which I don't know what of use, and we got fisted hand and we here got an instruction manual to understand that what we have to put where in Venom, but with some no use. And guys, here's the figure itself, the beast, here in my own hands. And guys, as you can understand that it's a knockoff, it's making loud noises and like movement. I'm not able to get you guys here that it's like very loose figure, it's not, the articulation and the plastic quality is like very cheap. It's like it feels you that it's a knockoff figure, it's not like close to an authentic event. But yeah, I must say better than Marvel Legends. This is like the Marvel Legends Venom was a legendary like a Marvel Legends toy which I ever saw. Like one of my friends have those, so I went to the home to like watch this figure and see the detailing, guys. Even to a KO standard, this like detailing is quite good, like the plastic quality may feel cheap, but like if you display it on your shelf, nobody is gonna tell that it's a KO figure, like until and unless they touch it and have a look at it closely. The paint job is good, the feet are also okay, finger. And here's the back, guys. I want to like show you this back attachment. So let's pop this thing open and let's show you that वो पीछे वाली चीज़ें क्या करते हैं। तो पीछे वाली चीज़ें इसको धीरे से इसको नाखून लगा के आपको ओपन करना है। मेरे को थोड़ी सी तकलीफ आई थी इसको ओपन करने में। एंड वंस यू ओपन इट, यू विल सी दैट 2 slots are there for pegs and here comes the back attachment. So अभी हम इसको अटैच करेंगे और देखते हैं कि कैसा लगता है। एंड गाइस ये सामने से बिल्कुल ही बीस्ट लग रहा था देखने में, जैसे आप देख सकते हो कितना मार्वेलस सा लग रहा था मेरे को, मतलब बहुत पसंद आया ये वाला फिगर। लाइक नॉक ऑफ के हिसाब से तो लुक्स वाइज काफ़ी अच्छा है, लाइक क्वालिटी वाइज नहीं हो, क्वांटिटी वाइज इसमें जो क्वांटिटी थी, लाइक फिगर की क्वांटिटी वो बढ़िया थी। लाइक फिगर के जो लुक्स थे एंड एक्सेसरीज की क्वांटिटी बहुत बढ़िया थी। तो ये इज़ द फिगर। एंड ये जो बैक अटैचमेंट भी काफ़ी लूज़ था। तो चलिए अब नॉर्मल वाले को लगा देते हैं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि बैक वाले में रहेंगे तो हम उसको रिव्यू करने में काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स आएगी, वो मूव करती रहती है। एंड लगा दिया हमने इसको। सो लेट्स कीप दैट वन इन द बॉक्स। तो इसको भी फोल्ड कर देंगे एंड वी विल पुट इट इन द बॉक्स टू लाइक पैक इट अगेन। एंड दिस वेनम लुकिंग लाइक इट्स actually good, man. This figure, now talking of which, this figure costed me like 2,700 Indian rupees, you know. And it's actually like well nice, that सबसे। और आर्टिकुलेशन में इतना नहीं, ऊपर नीचे मूवमेंट और टिल्ट थोड़ा बहुत हमको मिल जाता है, साइड टू साइड टिल्ट, टू एंड फ्रो मोशन भी हमको मिल जाता है। एंड आई मीन इट्स गुड अमाउंट ऑफ आर्टिकुलेशन में इसको। एंड देयर इज़ वन थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू गाइज, व्हेन द लाइक यू मूव द हेड like below, there is like a gap showing, so you can take this small piece outside and you can like make that scene totally invisible. So it's a nice attention to detail and very much movement is there in the head. And talking about hands, there are butterfly joints, you know, and shoulder joints are also there. I will show later. There is torso joint, the double torso joints is there. The waist joints also like works like a torso joint. Side to side movement is there. It rotates well. And here is the ball joint shoulder. And the thing we can do is we can move the shoulders up and down, so drop down movement is also there, you know. And I must show you the movements. Here is rotating, and there is like the upper like bicep cut is actually good. It's not a cut. And there is double jointed elbows, and wrist movement is good also. Actually the bicep cut is just a little piece which is inserted in there, and the wrist joint is good, you know, it works well. And there is another movement, so the legs move okay. There are upper thigh cuts, and there are like the legs move that much upward and downwards, backwards and forwards. And this hip movement too, which is I don't know why it looks funny to me. And there is double jointed knees, which is good and it's nice, you know. Toes joint is there, and there is a good ankle movement, and there is also a beautiful ankle pivot. And that's the articulation to work with, and the figure is like pretty dope. I like it, and I must say that it like passes the bootleg standard test for me. And this figure is quite good, you know, not quality wise, but again this figure is good and value for money. So let's jump into some final thoughts, but before that, here is the size comparison. And with the height of this figure, this stands on 8 inches long. About that, my tape starts from 3, so it's showing 10, but it stands on 8. And here it is compared with a bootleg Chinese Venom and Thanos, Hasbro Basics Thanos, and Hasbro Basics Smart Hulk, and also Marvel Legends for the Cap. So finally sharing some thoughts on this figure. This is pretty dope, and I like this figure actually, and I will give it, as per bootleg standards, a rating of like 8 out of 10 maybe. That's good, you know. So guys, I think that you guys like this video. Please hit a like button, and if you're new, do a subscribe button. Yeah, I know that videos are not coming regularly, but will soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.